sustainable processes. So whatever you do should be sustainable. For example, organic farming, vermicomposting, rainwater harvesting, these are all the important steps for preserving the environment. If you are doing organic farming, what is organic farming? As a farmer, you are not using any type of chemical pesticides or insecticide or fertilizer, anything. Whatever you are using is organic. It will not affect the plant, it will not affect the soil, it will not affect the food chain. So you are, as a farmer, not using any kind of chemical. For example, cow dung. This is the most important naturally organic farming material. So when you use this cow dung and many more like vermicomposting, etc., these are chemical free crops. It will be helpful for your body, and it will also maintain the soil quality, because the chemical will just devastate. It has very adverse effect on the soil. Now you see here, what do you see? The quechua. These are wormy, and these wormies or these quechuas are making the cow dung to a very good fine kind of fertilizer or the compost. You don't have to do anything. These insect will do. Rain is everywhere, but we are dependent on monsoon. There are various places where water is only for some months or some days. India is a monsoon kind of environment, or you can say weather condition. So why not to save this water? Why not to use it for other purposes like washing, like cleaning utensils, or even taking bath?